Welcome to Queen Academy. Our today topic is about corporate governance for Islamic financial institutions. What is the definition of corporate governance? A set of relationships between a company's management, its board, its shareholders, and other stakeholders. Corporate governance also provides the structure through which the objectives of the company are set and the means of attaining those objectives and monitoring performance are determined. The another definition of corporate governance is the relationship between corporate managers, directors, and the providers of equity, people and institutions who save and invest their capital to earn a return. It ensures that the board of directors is accountable for the pursuit of corporate objectives and that the corporation itself conforms to the law and regulations. The another definition of corporate governance is the system by which companies are directed and controlled. And let me discuss about common features of corporate governance. A system of relationships defined by structures and processes. Relationships with different and in some cases contrasting interests. Stakeholders' involvement in the direction and control of the company. Rights and responsibilities are properly distributed among the stakeholders. What are the models of corporate governance? The first model of corporate governance is the Anglo-American model. Emphasizes interest of the shareholders, and the second is applies various ways to accomplish aims including shareholders representation on the board of directors, management compensation scheme, and external market discipline. The Anglo-American model has a great relevance for Islamic finance. And the second model of corporate governance is the Franco-German model. It says emphasizes the stakeholder value system, incorporates interests of the shareholders and non-shareholders with more emphasis on non-shareholders considered to be stakeholders. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Then you will be able to see my all incoming videos. Thank you.